In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install PySpark in Jupyter Notebook. PySpark lets you use the power of Apache Spark from Python right inside your notebooks, which is great for working with large datasets or distributed processing without leaving the familiar Jupyter interface. Start by opening Jupyter in your browser, so you're looking at the main dashboard where your folders and notebooks are listed. From the top menu bar, click on File. We're going to open a command line window from here so we can install the package directly into the same environment that Jupyter is using. Hover over New and choose Terminal. This opens a shell inside your Jupyter environment, which is exactly where we want to run the installation command. If your setup looks a little different, the new option might appear as a button on the right side of the page, but the goal is the same. Open a terminal from within Jupyter so the install applies to the notebook environment you're using. In the terminal window, type the command pip install PySpark, then press enter. This tells Python's package manager to download and install PySpark along with any required dependencies. The process may take a minute or two depending on your internet connection and system speed. You'll see progress messages as it fetches and builds components. That's normal. If PySpark is already on your system, you'll see a message like requirement already satisfied. That simply means you're good to go and don't need to reinstall anything. If it's not installed yet, wait for the terminal to finish and look for confirmation that the installation completed successfully. Once you see that, PySpark is available to your Jupyter environment and you can start using it in your notebooks. That's all there is to it. Open Jupyter, use the File menu to launch a terminal, and run pip install.pyspark. Keeping the installation inside Jupyter's environment helps avoid version mismatches and makes sure your notebooks can find PySpark right away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with PySpark in Jupyter.